NVIDIA's Jensen Huang describing a dramatic shift happening in AI in that earnings call last night.
Yeah.
Agentic AI has turned an inflection point, and it literally happened in the last couple of 2-3 months. The world is now awakened to the agentic AI inflection.
For today's Tech Check, Deirdre Bosa looking at how this new era of AI might reset the leaderboard. Dee, curious to know what you made of his comments last night.
I mean, Carl, we've been talking a lot about this shift from chatbots to agents, and Jensen Huang was essentially confirming it. The inflection point, he says, has arrived. And that may mean a new race, one where the scoreboard looks very different. Take a look at this chart. It was posted by Andreessen Horowitz partner Olivia Moore. She used Yipit data that tracks new premium subscriptions across the major AI platforms. OpenAI, no surprise here, dominated the chatbot era, peaking at nearly 1.7 million new subs a month early last year. But that growth this year has been stalling right at that inflection point that Jensen Huang talks about. Meanwhile, Claude has been steadily climbing. Now, it matters because OpenAI built its lead answering questions, but the competition, it's shifted to agents, and that is AI that runs tasks, operates software, executes entire workflows. The latest releases that we've seen this year, they reflect that. OpenAI shipped Codex, a full coding agent. Anthropic's Claude Code, it hit $1 billion run rate in just 6 months. And just yesterday, Perplexity jumped back into the race with an autonomous agent called Computer that can take one prompt and run with it for hours across multiple models. It's also, some version of this open claw phenomena we've been watching. Now, in this light, it is interesting to look at Google here. Gemini, yes, it got a big bump when it launched its latest model, Gemini 3, late last year. But that faded fast, arguably because it was still a better chatbot in a market that is already moving past chatbots. It didn't have, or at least it didn't properly demonstrate, the agent capabilities, which are developer tools, deep integrations that are really becoming a hallmark of this new race. Now, for investors, guys, it suggests that even a great model launch, it isn't enough if you're winning the wrong war. The chatbot war had a clear winner. The agent war, it does not. And there is an enormous amount of money being bet on the assumption that somebody is going to build a massive business on these models in the agent space. And right now, guys, really shows that this is anybody's race to win.
And Deirdre, how much, too, are they going to face competition from within bigger companies that have sizable tech budgets and are trying to build these things on their own as well? I mean, it does seem, as you mentioned, a lot more fragmented with a lot more competition than we've seen so far in the AI cycle.
Every enterprise tech company is trying to figure that out, and they're working with sort of these big labs. And I think, it's going to be really important for the enterprise side of this. And that's why, Anthropic has been making such strides and has such momentum because it really sort of burst onto the scene with agents and Claude Code. But is it going to be American lab or is it going to be Chinese? In this agent race, it takes a huge amount of compute power, tokens. And what the Chinese models are showing us is that this can be done a lot more efficiently. So you look at something like an OpenClaw, which just burst onto the scene this year, which is really sort of agents that you put on sort of a Mac Mini and just let them go. They were built on Anthropic and Claude Code, but increasingly they're underpinned by Chinese models that are cheaper and more efficient.
Dee, do you think this makes the likelihood of Capex exhaustion higher or lower?
It's a good question. It probably makes the case for more spending, right? Because this is all inference compute, and agents take just a huge, huge amount of it. I can see it myself when I'm experimenting with these tools, when I'm asking Claude Cowork to spin up apps and software and PowerPoints for myself. So I think it probably makes the case. Whether that happens here, like I said, or there's a more efficient way of doing it, I think that there's probably no going back. You're going to need a lot of this compute power if agents is the future.